Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out why your applications on your LG TV, device aren't working at all. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing you're going to want to do is double check your internet connection. So, what you're going to want to do to kind of start off with is you want to make sure your internet connection and your Wi Fi connection are good, because sometimes that can kind of be one of the main issues you might run into here. So click on your settings, button on your remote. You want to go ahead and click on the all settings option, click on network on a Wi-Fi connection, and you want to double check that Wi-Fi connection because most of the time that can be one of the main problems you might run into. Number two, if that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to go through and you might want to restart the TV. So turn off the TV completely and give it a few moments, turn it back on, wait a couple of seconds before turning it back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Because once again, for a lot of people out there, all you're going to have to do here is just restart power cycle the TV, and that might end up fixing it. If that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to try going through and try updating the LG, web OS, because sometimes that can also be the issue. So go inside of your settings app, go inside of the all settings portion, software update, and then go through and check for updates. This in and of itself can be another really easy thing that you can do to fix it. And after installing any available updates on this device, you're probably going to be good to go, and hopefully it'll end up fixing the problem there as well. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.